Welcome back, my YouTube channel, Old Coin Z Collection. Today, we dive into an incredible and rare coin from South Africa that's been making waves in the numismatic world. This isn't just any ordinary 5-cent coin from 2008. It has become one of the most sought-after pieces on the market, with some estimates placing its value at a jaw-dropping $4 million. But how could a small, seemingly insignificant coin carry such value? Stick with me for the next 20 minutes as we uncover the history, rarity, and the story behind this mysterious 5-cent coin. Let's start with the basics. The 5-cent coin was a part of South Africa's currency system for many years, and it was produced in various designs. The 2008 coin, like other years, was issued as part of the regular circulation coins used in South Africa. Made from copper-plated steel, the 5-cent coin is small, circular, and features various symbols of South Africa's national identity. In terms of size and weight, it's a standard 5-cent piece, with a simple design featuring the South African coat of arms on the obverse and a denomination of 5 cents on the reverse side. However, not all 5-cent coins are created equal. Let's dive into what sets this 2008 version apart, and why it's now considered one of the rarest coins in circulation. Why is this specific 5-cent 2008 coin valued at millions of dollars? Well, it all starts with rarity. The story goes that there was a misprint or minting error in a very small batch of these coins in 2008, which led to some unique features not found in standard coins. It's believed that this batch of 5-cent coins was mistakenly minted with the wrong metal composition or incorrect engraving. Due to these errors, only a handful of these misprinted coins ever made it into circulation. The exact number is still debated, but some numismatists believe fewer than 10 of these coins are in existence today. And with a very limited supply, the value of these coins skyrocketed. Now, let's talk about how to identify this rare coin. If you're lucky enough to stumble upon a 2008 5-cent coin, you'll need to know how to authenticate it. The first thing to check is the mint mark and the design detail. The misprinted version will have certain imperfections that are not visible in the regular 2008 5-cent pieces. You should also consider the weight and the composition of the coin. The original 2008 5-cent pieces are copper-plated steel, but the rare error coins could be made of a different material, and even the weight may slightly vary from the standard. When you examine the coin under magnification, pay attention to the engravings around the edge, as these could also reveal whether it's part of that rare batch. If you think you might have one of these rare coins, it's important to get it authenticated by a professional coin grading service like NGC or PCGS. A certified coin could fetch a fortune at auction or among collectors. Let's talk about how valuable these coins can be. Some of these rare 2008 5-cent coins have been sold at auction for eye-popping amounts. The coin I mentioned earlier, with an estimated value of $4 million, was sold to a private collector in an exclusive auction, with bids coming from around the world. In fact, the rarity of this coin has attracted collectors from every corner of the globe, all eager to own a piece of South African history. The market for rare coins has been expanding rapidly in recent years, and while many coins may seem like small change, some are worth more than gold. At one point, this specific coin was sold for over $3 million at an auction, making it one of the highest-selling rare South African coins in modern history. Now, let's take a step back and explore the fascinating world of numismatics, the study and collection of coins. Coin collecting is not just about finding rare pieces. It's a hobby that connects people with history, art, and culture. Whether you're an experienced collector or just getting started, the thrill of finding something rare is what drives so many to invest their time and money into this hobby. If you're interested in starting your own coin collection, or even just want to know more about this rare 5-cent coin, there are plenty of resources available. From online coin forums to local coin shops and conventions, there's a whole community out there to help you learn more and connect with others who share the same passion. One thing that every serious coin collector knows is the importance of preserving the condition of a coin. A small scratch or smudge can dramatically decrease the value of a coin, especially one as rare as this 2008 5-cent. So, let me share a few tips on how to take care of your coins. First, always handle coins by the edges. not the faces, to avoid getting oils and dirt from your fingers on the coin. Use gloves made for coin handling. You should also store your coins in proper holders or capsules, especially if they're rare and valuable. Make sure the holders are made from acid-free materials, as some plastics can cause the coin to tarnish over time. As we look toward the future of rare coins, it's clear that the market for valuable and rare coins will continue to grow. With the rise of online auctions and the global nature of numismatics, coins like the 2008 5-cent South African coin will continue to be highly sought after. But as with all investments, the key to success in coin collecting is knowledge and patience. So, whether you're buying, selling, or just collecting story top 2, the coin 2008 South African 20-cent coin, worth an eye-popping $16 million. That's right, $16 million. Now, I know what you're thinking. How is that even possible for a coin with a face value of just 20 cents? Well, stick around, because I'm going to explain exactly why this coin is so incredibly valuable, and you'll definitely want to see the full story unfold. Let's get into it. The 2008 South African 20-cent coin was part of a series of commemorative coins released by the South African Mint. As many of you know, South Africa has a rich coinage history, with coins often featuring important national symbols, wildlife, and moments of cultural significance. The 20-cent coin, in particular, was issued as part of a regular circulation series that year, but it stands out due to a small but significant detail, one that made it highly sought after by collectors. Let me take you through its design and the features that make this coin so special. First off, let's talk about the design. On the obverse side, we have the iconic portrait of Nelson Mandela, one of South Africa's most celebrated leaders and the face of the nation's transition into democracy. The reverse features a highly detailed depiction of the springbok, the national animal of South Africa. Now, at first glance, this coin might seem like just another regular circulating coin. But here's the catch. There's something incredibly rare about one specific version of this coin. In 2008, a limited number of South African 20-cent coins were accidentally struck with an error that made them incredibly rare. This error occurred during the minting process, where certain coins were produced with a misalignment or flaw in the design, specifically with the portrait of Nelson Mandela. These error coins were not immediately recognized by the public, which is why they stayed in circulation for a while before being discovered. It wasn't until a keen-eyed collector noticed the discrepancy that word got out. And that's when things started to get crazy. Now here's where the story gets interesting. The error coin, due to its rarity and the fact that only a handful exist, became the centerpiece of heated bidding wars among coin collectors. After experts assessed its value, they estimated the worth of one of these error coins to be around $16 million. Yes, you heard that right. $16 million. This kind of value is almost unheard of for a coin with such a low face value. But when you factor in the rarity, historical significance, and the huge demand from collectors, it all makes sense. These kinds of error coins are highly prized in the numismatic world. So, what makes this error coin so valuable? Let's break it down. First and foremost, its rarity. There are only a handful of these error coins in existence. The exact number is debated, but it's definitely less than 10 known specimens. Second, the error coin carries historical weight due to the global recognition of Nelson Mandela. Owning a piece of history like this is invaluable. The misalignment or flaw in Mandela's portrait makes the coin unique. This kind of error doesn't happen often, and it only adds to the allure of the coin. And of course, there's the intense demand from collectors. The rarer the coin, the more collectors are willing to pay. This coin represents an opportunity to own a piece of rare South African history. Now let's talk about the market response. As soon as this coin started getting attention, it was a major sensation. It was auctioned off at high-profile numismatic events, and bidding wars erupted among collectors from around the world. At a T1 auction, the price shot up to an unbelievable $16 million. That auction set a new record for a coin from South Africa, and it made headlines worldwide. Experts say that this coin is an investment like no other, and its value could keep increasing as time goes on. Now, you might be wondering, how can you spot an error coin like this in your own collection? Well, it's all about being observant. Look closely at the alignment of the design, the engraving, and any potential misprints or irregularities. That it's not always easy to spot an error coin, but with the right knowledge and tools, you could discover something truly valuable in your collection. So, there you have it. A South African 20-cent coin from 2008, worth a staggering $16 million. It's a perfect example of how rarity, history, and a little bit of luck can create a coin worth more than a fortune. That if you found this video interesting, be sure to give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing coin stories. And hey, have you ever come across an error coin in your collection? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching Old Coin Z Collection, and until next time.